Alright, so today's a new day, and you know what that means.
New car part. So this time we got a wing for the Supra.
I don't know how difficult it is going to be to install, but from the looks of it,
so far I'm gonna have to basically tear apart the whole trunk area here, take down some electronics, drill some holes,
and hopefully I don't screw up any of the holes. That's one of my main concerns, because I don't want to drill a second hole in this trunk. But yeah.
Big wing for Supra.
I do have some other parts coming in for, hopefully they're here by the time Formula Drift comes around, because it's a carbon fiber part, so it's getting made right now and it hasn't shipped yet.
But the fenders are now going to be carbon fiber
once I get them in. So hopefully they get here before Formula Drift starts in the car show, because that's what I'm hoping for, so make it look a little better. Maybe I have that possibility of winning, who knows. But yeah, we're gonna try to get this started. I don't know how long it's gonna take me, so yeah. Okay, so my GoPro keeps shutting off like usual. I changed a setting in it that hopefully that helps it, but
as of right now, I got the center line drawn on it. I measured it from different points on the line to like this crease here on each side, and they all seem pretty much the same. So, and then from down here I measured from here to the seam over here where the trunk meets the fender on each side.
So the line seems fairly center. All the measurements are coming out fine. Now I just have to do 9 inches from this line over here and over here, and that's where the brackets will go. So now I just gotta measure 9 inches, put tape, make another line, put the brackets up, and then drill the holes. And then from there, it should be fairly simple, by my guess, because this seems like the most time-consuming part, because if you don't get your measurements right, then you can mess something up. So, yeah. Alright, so it's later in the day. I went inside to take a break because it was getting really hot out here. It got up to like 112 degrees. It was stupid, but
I got all the lines drawn. I measured all of them, 2 different points, measured between the 2, and everything's coming out fine so far.
So now it's just a matter of tearing down the inside of the trunk and then drilling the holes in. So yeah.
Try to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby, have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no, you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
Well, there is no turning back now. I got the holes drilled, as you can see. All of them pre-drilled. I just gotta widen the holes out now. But yeah, now there's no turning back, and now I just gotta commit to it. So, but if you guys are doing it yourself, if you are wondering, these silver screws here to take out the different modules, that would be a T20. And then for the bigger screws underneath the covers, those are gonna be a T25. So I feel so bad drilling those holes. Now I just gotta continue with it. Hopefully it looks good. Otherwise, oh well. Super big.
Till I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.
Alright, well, it's super later in the day. The brackets were harder to put on than I expected. Some of the smaller bolts in the back, this one here, were like extremely hard to get the nut and washer on the backside. That you had to fish it through, and I lost a washer in my trunk somewhere, so I had to find one somewhere else in the garage and just use that one for now. These are bolted down and on. Now I just gotta do the main wing part and the wing plates, and it should be done. But as you can see, it's like getting darker out. It's almost sundown at this point because it took so long trying to fish it through. Probably later tonight I may go out and take some photos with the Supra so I can enter it into the car show contest. But if I do, you guys will see a montage of that in this video. So
Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you want to be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life.
Hey, we're en route to Jeff's house now. This is gonna be his first time seeing the wing on the car. We're gonna just be hanging out for a bit and probably go to a spot to take some photos of the car so I can get it ready for the car show and post the photos in with it. But this is gonna be interesting seeing his reaction and what he thinks about the wing on the car. So
You don't want Coke?
nope, I'm good.
Oh, damn.
Well, it's fine. I'll take it.
You sure?
Yeah. You ready? Ready to see my car?
Yeah.
Yeah, look at that white car. The white car. Look at that red car.
Look at the wings, man. Ooh, come on. We got a mission to go on. Alright. Want a Coke?
Thank you.
Coca-Cola needs to sponsor me.
What do you think?
Looks good during the day with the underglow, and the wing was perfect, man. Oh my god. That's clean. Can I touch it?
Yeah.
New stickering?
No, not yet.
Not yet. Man, I'm pretty excited. So you said this is gonna be carbon fiber right here.
No, this is.
Okay, so this is right here, and then we're gonna get new stickers.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But like, look at that. Look at from this angle. That looks cool. That looks perfect.
Okay.
All right, so wait here. Take my key.
You'd have to like.
All right, start it up. And put the window down. All right, put it on your seat adjustment.
It is.
Okay, shut the door and look at the mirrors.
Okay.
See how you don't really see it much? Yeah, you have to be, like actually be looking for it in order to see it.
Yeah, that ain't bad either. Because it's good for you too.
And then you don't even see it in the rear view at all.
Today's gonna be a good day.